Have you ever felt instantly calmer after a walk in the park or sitting by a river? There's a reason for that. It's called the Biophilia Hypothesis, a scientific idea that suggests humans have an innate connection to nature. In this video we'll explore what biophilia means, why it matters, and how you can use it to improve your mental and physical well-being. Let's dive into the science of why nature feels like home. The term biophilia was popularized by biologist Edward O. Wilson in the 1980s. It comes from two Greek words, bio, meaning life, and philia, meaning love. Biophilia suggests that humans have an instinctive bond with living systems, plants, animals, and natural environments. This bond isn't just emotional, it's rooted in our biology. For thousands of years, humans lived in close connection with nature, relying on it for survival. Even today, our brains are wired to respond positively to natural settings. Why does nature have such a powerful effect on us? From an evolutionary perspective, humans evolved in natural environments, surrounded by greenery, water, and wildlife. These settings signaled safety and abundance, shaping our brains to feel calm and focused in nature. Studies back this up. For example, a 1984 study by Roger Ulrich found that hospital patients with a view of trees recovered faster than those facing a brick wall. Another theory, attention restoration theory by Rachel and Stephen Kaplan, shows that nature restores our mental focus by giving our brains a break from overstimulation. Physiologically, spending time in nature lowers cortisol levels, reduces heart rate, and boosts mood. In short, nature isn't just pleasant, it's healing. So, how can you bring nature into your life? It's simpler than you think. Start with small steps. Take a 20-minute walk in a park, tend to a houseplant, or sit by a window with a view of trees. If you have access to a garden, spend time there. Biophilic design is another way to integrate nature. This includes adding plants to your home, using natural materials like wood, or incorporating nature-inspired patterns. Cities are also embracing biophilia, think of green rooftops or urban forests. For example, Singapore's Gardens by the Bay shows how urban spaces can blend with nature. Even listening to nature sounds like rain or birds can mimic some of these benefits. Not everyone has easy access to nature. Urbanization has disconnected many of us from green spaces, and not all communities have parks or forests nearby. For those in cities, small actions can help. Grow herbs on a windowsill, visit a local community garden, or advocate for more green spaces in your area. Even virtual nature, watching a documentary or using nature-themed wallpapers, can offer some benefits. The key is to find what's accessible to you and make it a habit. The biophilia hypothesis reminds us that nature isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for our well-being. Science shows that connecting with nature reduces stress, sharpens focus, and lifts our spirits. Whether it's a walk in the park, a plant on your desk, or simply listening to the sound of waves, nature has the power to heal. So, the next time you're feeling distressed, step outside. Let nature be your remedy. Start today, take one small step toward reconnecting with the natural world.